Okay. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get Among Us hacks in 2026. I know that there's not a lot of people that play Among Us now, at least like main people, but I've learned how to hack Among Us and get every single cosmetic and every single rare thing, how to change your role, all this stuff. So I'm going to be telling you right now. So first, you're gonna want to head to the link in the description. You're gonna have to copy and paste it because I don't have a clickable link verification yet. But once you're there, you're gonna want to go and download MalumMenu Steam underscore Steam underscore itch.zip. Now, if it's on Epic Games, I low-key don't know how to do that, but I only know how to do it for Steam. So once you're here, you want to click Steam, and it will download right here. You can close out of that and then open up Steam, and you want to go here, right click Among Us, go to Manage, Browse Local Files. Once you are here, I already have the files in here, but let me show you. You could need to open up another Files Explorer, like so. Go to Downloads, click this, right click Extract All, Extract. Now it's extracting. Okay, now once it extracts, you should have these files right here. You're gonna want to drag all of them into this folder, the one that you opened for Among Us. I already have the files that are here in here, but if you don't, then it will just automatically go in there. So yes. After that, you can start up Among Us, and a black screen should pop up. And do not close out of this, or that will break the game. Oh boy, that's loud. Hold on, let me close that real quick. That's really loud. Okay, that should be good. Yes, do not close this black screen, or else it will crash the game. It should say this version of MalumMenu and this version of Among Us are incompatible. Just press OK. Once you're here, if you know how it works, because this pops up right here, and you'll see mod, you want to hit delete on your keyboard, and the menu will pop up. So this is the menu. How to get every cosmetic, you're going to go to passive, and click free cosmetics right there. Inventory, the most rarest cosmetic is the orange traffic cone hat. Orange traffic cone, here it is. Other people could see all these cosmetics, so yes, I have the dope fit on right now. I will join a game to demonstrate. Yeah, I'm in hide and seek. Okay, let me go to classic, refresh. Okay, you'll join. I guess you're not gonna start. Okay, like what idiot won't start? But okay, whatever. And people most likely see like they can comment on my mask and they can be like, how'd you get that mask? And they think I'm a Twitch streamer because I have that Twitch icon. This guy's circling me. I don't know why. Look, I'll see, do you guys like my mask? Oh, okay, he doesn't like my mask. golly, just join. Oh my god. Start the golly game. I didn't want to play in that game anyway. Oh my god. Please start. Why is everyone leaving? I was gonna kick myself, thank you. Stupid. Okay, now that will pop up. We can hit. Ooh, I'm an imposter. I gotta play this round then. Okay, see rolls. You can see everyone's rolls. The phantom. I can do phantom. I'm a player. No clip. The obvious. No clip. Oop. I was lagging a bit. I was lagging. Okay. Wasn't here. Oh, did you see me? Please don't say it was me. Orange, where? God. Yellow outside nav. Where's the body, bro? Star is yellow. Okay. Are they voting me? Okay, you can also like sabotage mid-game. Win. Oh my gosh, they're not gonna make it. Yes. Okay, yeah. Exactly. So I just explained. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and yes. Okay, bye.